Hi, in this video we are going to look at the different settings that can be applied within the Wi-Fi Marketing Guest Wi-Fi platform. To head to settings, just go to the menu on the left hand side and click settings, and this page will appear. Essentially we are looking at the campaign assignment. So these are the different campaign splash pages that you can have at a given period of time. We can create a campaign by clicking create a campaign, or we can schedule certain campaign splash pages to go out at certain times. As an example, if we click schedule additional campaigns, we can choose the campaign from the drop down list and we can give it a daily or days of the week schedule. We can also do it via interval. So as an example, it may be over an Easter weekend or a bank holiday weekend, and we can basically say that this particular campaign splash page on the right, we want to effectively run it from the 7th of April 2021 at this given time period all the way through to the 14th till 12 o'clock, and we click schedule. Once we do that, the Wi-Fi then updates and we push out that particular splash page at that given time period. Next across the top is the location. So in this particular section here, we can look at the location name, the actual address, the country, whether we need to be GDPR compliant, depending upon where your venue is located. We can also look at the revenue, the geolocation, and also the time zone, and we can change all of this if needs be. Then there's also additional information. So that is the city, your postal code, the business type. If you wish to add that in, you can do. So here we have a whole host of business types listed in. You can then add the website, the social media URL, and the Facebook page, and click update. Next, we have the session time, which we covered off with regards to the Wi-Fi hardware. So you have got the ability within the settings to adjust session time limit, bandwidth, that's both upload and download, and a daily bandwidth cap. And we also have the ability to whitelist and blacklist certain devices as well. And once more, you will be able to manage this from your Wi-Fi hardware as well within the cloud controller or the controller itself. Next within the settings is we have what we call user access. So this is basically where we can add sub-users. So that may be different members of staff that you may wish to add to a certain location. So again, we can basically add people in at that point, make sure that the client or the venue is that particular one, and then essentially that particular person is now in there, and then we can allow access. So we have light, read, edit, and also admin. So as you hover over, you can see the different admin rights that individual person has, and once you're happy, click update. And then finally, we've just got the general tab. Quite simply, it's just the default language of your particular dashboard. So as an example, if you want the dashboard to be in French, you'll basically see there that the language on the left hand side is now changed into French. So we'll just pop it back into English. And we've also got a built-in QR code generator, which allows your users or your guests of the Wi-Fi to effectively scan the QR code to allow them for quick and easy access onto your network. And quite simply, to do that, just click the generate QR code button, and effectively we've created a QR code there that you can then quite simply download as an image, and then you can then add it into whatever you need to add it into, so such as menus, on doors, in windows, etc. So that's the settings page of the guest Wi-Fi portal within the Wi-Fi marketing platform. And if you have any questions, as ever, please email support@wifimarketing.co.uk. Thanks for watching this video.